Hello, welcome back. So in this episode we will try to install Chaos Locker, or we can say the Chaos ransomware, and see what's different um, in this ransomware. So actually infected, and yeah, let's try to music and just rename it to Chaos. Okay, just open it, take it easy, and to get some information. It's a .NET entropy. It's not packet at all. Good. So just a small indication HXD. Okay, no, yeah, there are no blob at all. Okay, and the resource section, sorry, resource resource hacker section. Good. Manifest. Okay, so run is evoker, so actually it's fine, it's very fine. Let's try to open the spy, and let's see what we can find through the spy, and what's different of this ransomware. Actually fix the downtime just for fun. Good. Actually it takes some time as to the spy start opening, so you can try to use el spy, but actually el spy in my computer doesn't work. But let's try what's different in a chaos. So the let's in the keyword is one. Yeah, because original file name. Good. Good. There are modules. You cannot find anything here. No, we can. We maybe. That's a program itself. Good. So actually, let's try to. That's ctor cvhost.exe. Okay, use a directory to encode it and encrypt it. Stop propaganda.txt. Oh, and trying to encode this extensions .txt, but I think it's don't doing executable file, but try to execute and encode other stuffs. You can see the truth. Good. Bitcoin address, base 64 images here, drop message, check admin privilege, and that's a regular expression, that's a message. Oh, good. Let's say Bitcoin address, because it's a BC Bitcoin. Okay, let's go to program and edit open node. So actually in here it's trying to get folder, special folder, application data, all folders, and drop text message. So I believe it drop a ransom note to all of the directories, and that's it's trying to edit links as a shortcut to startup. Okay, folder path. Okay, startup folders, process, get current process, get a process names, and try to folder path plus here, so we have it to put a ransom node, and .url for shellcat or .lnk. Good. That's a AES encryption mechanism here, and already running. It trying to that's a maybe different mechanism. It's get a process address and get current process. So actually if the process is running, it start maybe stopping itself, because admission if process.module file name assembly dot execution assembly dot location current process is not process id admission. So actually if the process is running, it start kill itself if it try reinfection, but if not it start execution maybe. So it's a base 64 encoded, copy versus admin. So I think it's trying to some kind of privilege escalation in some way, maybe copy roaming. Okay, you're trying to copy roaming, create a password. So actually trying to generate password based on this loop. And okay, so it have all of the characters and through the slope it mentioned random. It used a random to generate. So actually it's mean for each computers, for each victim, the password will be generated. Okay, and delete backup catalog. It's trying to delete uh, backup, and it's a delete shadow copy through vssadmin, and here through wb admin, and it's trying to search it from the computer. WB, yes, it's trying to delete delete copy backup catalog, disable recovery mode through boot. This mean actually it's a BC edit, so that's for booting stuffs. And set default boot setup policy, ignore all failure. BC edit set default recovery low. So actually in here, so that's mean if any errors happen, ignore it. Start execution itself. Let computer blue run again with and recovery enable it. No, so that's mean remove it. Okay, there are no recovery mode. So actually it's trying to encrypt the directory. Okay, it tried to file encoding extension and other stuff. So that's encrypted file again through AES encrypting and some base64 strings. Look for directories. So actually it's a very important in ransomware. It's trying to so okay, so it mentioned if the drivers, okay, is not disk C, so it's not disk C, it try to looking for here and start encryption. Okay, I mean try to get a drive information here, and it mentioned if drive info is not equal to C, program crypt directory drive info to string. So trying to encrypt those stuffs, but actually it finds C. It's not something hard. And that's a main. Okay, and try to random encode again. It's for random encoding, so for random strings, random string for execution, random bytes, registry startup. Oh, okay, it's trying to use run for startup. So that's a RSA encrypted, RSA key, and again run command. Okay, those are trying to cmd slash for execution and start executing, and change the wallpaper. It may be trying to download a wallpaper from, let's try to find something in resource. There are no images, but maybe but try to retrieve images from internet and change the wallpaper. And for separate, trying to again get information for each drivers, if not C, and if the file is not exist, and try to spread it on it. So that means if this drive, for example drive E, is not infected, try to infect it. System parameter info. Okay, up mutex. So again, so that's a simple one. It's not very hard stuff, but actually it's fine. It's I don't see any kind of anti-debugging and anti-VM or sandbox evasion stuffs inside this lockers. Again, you can try to analyze samples by yourself, or maybe you will try to create other videos related to analyzing ransomwares, inshallah, by God help, and spread the knowledge and secure our digital space. Have a nice time. Bye bye.